I've heard that story a lot. You see a budget pool table on a deal site, you think you're getting a bargain, you bring it home, and a few weeks later you're staring at a warped surface and a set of rubber bumpers that feel more like a loose rubber band than a solid wall. The regret that follows feels almost inevitable, especially when the whole family was counting on a new game room centerpiece. So the question I keep hearing from people who are on the fence is there a mid-range table that actually lives up to the hype and doesn't end up as a storage room eyesore? Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. The Barrington Billiards Blackstone 7-foot table lands right in that sweet spot where you want something that looks and feels like a commercial-grade setup, but won't require down payment that empties your savings. The first thing that made me pause was the pre-assembled playfield. Most tables in this price range arrive in a flat-pack slab that you have to glue, level, and hope you get it right. With the Blackstone, the 18mm particle board top arrives already glued, sanded, and ready to sit on its legs. That alone cuts the installation time from a full day of frustration to a couple of hours of unpacking, positioning, and a quick level check. If you've ever tried to level a 7-foot table on uneven hardwood floors, you'll appreciate the built-in stability that the one-piece MDF leg panels give you. They are wrapped in a wood-grain PVC finish that looks like real wood but resists the dents and scratches you get from kids dragging chairs across the base. Who should actually buy this? If you're a family that gathers around a game room at least once a week, if you host game nights with friends, or if you're a casual player who wants the feel of a real pool hall without turning the living room into a construction site, the Blackstone checks a lot of boxes. The included accessories: two 57-inch cues, a full set of 2.25-inch billiard balls, and a triangle mean you can start playing straight out of the box. That's a big win for anyone who doesn't want to hunt down extra gear on top of the table purchase. On the flip side, if you're a serious tournament player who demands a slate surface, a 7-foot table is already a compromise, and the particle board playfield, while solid for home use, won't give you the same level of roll consistency you'd expect on a professional slate. In that case, you might be better off saving up for a higher-end model or a dedicated recreation room where you can install a true slate top. The practical strengths become obvious the moment you fire up the first game. The 818 rubber bumpers are spaced evenly around the rail, and they deliver a bounce that feels surprisingly true to a commercial table. When you line up a bank shot, the ball returns to the pocket with the kind of predictability that makes you feel like you're actually improving your skills, not just guessing. The reinforced wood-grain PVC apron and top rail add a little extra rigidity, which you can notice when you run a long series of breaks. There's less give in the frame, so the balls stay on the intended line. For families with kids, the durable finish on the legs and apron holds up well against accidental bumps and the occasional spilled drink. I've seen a few kids lean on the table while waiting for their turn, and the surface doesn't chip or dent. There are a couple of trade-offs you should be aware of before you click Add to Cart. First, the table's weight is significant, even though it's not a slab of concrete. Moving it once it's set up is a serious undertaking, so you'll want to be fairly confident about the room layout before you lock the legs in place. Second, the particle board surface, while pre-finished, does not have the same resistance to humidity as a slate or high-density composite. If you live in a very damp climate, you'll need to keep the room well ventilated or use a dehumidifier to avoid any potential cupping over the years. Lastly, the cues included are functional, but they are not tournament grade. They'll serve perfectly for casual play, but serious players might want to invest in a high-quality cue down the line. What really sold me on the Blackstone was the balance between cost and experience. At a price point that undercuts many entry-level tables, you get a piece that feels ready for a family game night without the hidden costs of buying cues, balls, and a triangle separately. The table's design also fits a variety of spaces. The overhang on the legs is modest enough to work in rooms where you need a little extra clearance for chairs, yet the overall footprint still feels substantial enough to command attention. If you've been putting off buying a table because you're scared of the assembly nightmare, the pre-assembled playfield and the straightforward leg design should give you a lot of